Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from the same chapter, chapter 18 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. So, today's section is section 112. The title is Restriction on Power of Court to Grant Injunction in Certain Cases. And here friends, actually this section does not exist right now. This is repealed by the Patents Amendment Act 2002 section 47 with effective from 20th May 2003. Okay, so we shall continue. We shall go to another section. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So, now the section we will discuss is section 113. The title is from the section 113 from the same chapter, and the title is Certificate of Validity of Specification and Cost of Subsequent Suits for Infringement thereof. Okay. So we shall proceed through our subsections and key points. Fine. So, subsection 1 says, if any proceedings before the appellate board or a high court for the revocation of a patent under section 64 and section 104, as the case may be, the validity of any claim of a specification is contested and that claim is found. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, that claim is, just a minute friends. Yeah, that claim is found by the appellate board or the high court to be valid. The appellate board or the high court may certify that the validity of that claim was contested in those proceedings and was upheld. Okay friends, so please take a look, just a minute, please take a look at the underlined words and please read the subsection taking care of the punctuation marks. Okay, and the gist of this subsection is that I have written in my key points in blacking. Just take a look. For proceedings before IPAB or the appellate board, we can say, or high court for revocation, if the validity of any claim is contested and the above authorities found it valid and certify that the validity of the claim was contested earlier and was now upheld. Fine. So, this is the gist of this subsection. Okay. So, now we will proceed towards subsection 2. Subsection 2 says, where any such certificate has been granted, then if in any subsequent suit before a court for infringement of that claim of the patent or in any subsequent proceeding for revocation of the patent in so far as it relates to that claim, the patentee or other person relying on the validity of the claim obtains a final order or judgment in his favor, he shall be entitled to an order for the payment of his full cost, charges and expenses of and incidental to any such suit or proceeding properly incurred so far as they concern the claim in respect of which the certificate was granted, unless the court trying the suit or proceeding otherwise directs, provided that the cost as specific in this subsection shall not be ordered when the party disputing the validity of the claim satisfies the court that he was not aware of the grant of the certificate when he raised the dispute and withdrew forthwith such defense when he became aware of such a certificate. Okay friends, this is a lengthy subsection, but we can explain it in very simple words. Just take a look. a certificate is already granted. Okay. Now a subsequent infringement suit or a suit for revocation related to the specific claim further favors the patentee, etc., to obtain a final order with the benefit of all the damages from that applicant or party, right? And the party will not be ordered with paying all cost if it proves that he was not aware of the certificate when he raised the dispute. Just a condition is written. When you read this key point, it will be clear. Fine. Next we will go to subsection 3. Nothing contained in this section shall be construed as authorizing the courts or the appellate board having appeals from decrees or orders in suits for infringement or petitions for revocation, as the case may be, to pass orders for cost on the scale referred to therein. Okay. So please follow the same trend, and now I will explain it through my key points. If the IPAB or the court have appeals from decrees in infringement suits or revocation petitions, then this section does not authorize the IPAB or the court to pass orders for the cost on the scale referred. Okay. So this way, friends, all the subsections from section 113 are completed. So please go through my video. Please go through the Barrett as well. If you have any queries, any compliments, any suggestions, any comments or anything, you can write to me in my comment box. And please share my video among your friends. And please subscribe my channel, friends. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for encouraging me. And stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much.